Spread of the flu, COVID-19, and RSV that's surging across the country right now. Some cities and counties now urging residents once again to mask up. Respiratory illnesses spiked after Thanksgiving, and Jenn Sullivan reports health officials worry about a similar situation as people travel and gather for Christmas.
Respiratory illnesses are surging across the U.S. Cases of COVID-19, the flu, and RSV are spiking.
Infections ticking up across the country.
In places like Oregon, New York City, Metro Seattle, and Los Angeles County and Alameda County, California, health officials are urging people once again to mask up.
With a higher number of cases, we see more transmission. This means that your chance of catching COVID will increase.
The CDC says much of the country is under a high level of COVID transmission. And in the last week, a majority of states saw a rise in COVID hospitalizations.
This is in the backdrop of one of the worst flu seasons in a decade.
Flu cases have hit some of their highest early levels in years. The CDC estimates 13 million illnesses, 120,000 hospitalizations, and 7,300 deaths so far this season. As cases surge, hospitals are overrun with more than 80% of beds in use. That's higher than any other point during the pandemic.
Just imagine, God forbid, that you may have a heart attack or you may be pregnant and have to go to the hospital because of early labor, and those hospitals are full. So this affects everybody.
Following the Thanksgiving holiday, cases spiked. Health officials are urging people to get the COVID booster now since it takes 2 weeks to reach full effect. That puts us right at Christmas. Jenn Sullivan, KITV4 Island News.